Hey guys, everyone wants to become a rich, famous, and get name and fame in life. And everyone wants to know which type of planets they have in birth chart. Like a lot of people calling me, a lot of people concerned with me, which type of planet we have, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Today, my this video is linked with the remedies of one of the biggest planet in astrology. The planet name is Saturn. Saturn who represent your karma, your work, your job, profession, your career. Do you earn money? Do you earn name, fame in your profession? Or you may suffer some losses. This is all Saturn placement in your birth chart. So which type of remedies we need to perform to improve our finance, to improve our name, fame, position, personality? Like how can we earn name, fame in our profession? If you are in a job, how can we rise in our job? How can we become millionaire? Because every youngster wants luxury life, and luxury linked with money. If you have money, you will definitely live luxury life. If you don't have money, you never live luxury life. So Saturn play a big role. I make already a lot of videos in Hindi version. So today this video is in English language for my some abroad clients or abroad my friends, because Saturn play a big role in Kalpurus chart. Saturn is a planet of 10th and 11th house Lord ship linked with Saturn. You don't consider as a your birth chart for any ascendants like Aries ascendants, Taurus, Gemini, Mithun, or Cancer, Leo, Virgo. You don't consider right now ascendants. You just follow the Kalpurus horoscope. Kalpurus horoscope says first house mean Aries sign. So 10th house mean Capricorn sign and 11th house means Aquarius sign. These both houses ruled by Saturn. If you have a strong Saturn in your birth chart, you will definitely grow a lot in your life. You will get name, fame, position. You may become very good politician. You may become very good businessman. You may become very good social worker. You may become very good judge. You may become very good advocate. You may be in a government job. And if you are in businessman and you have a strong Saturn, you will have a business of liquor. You will have a business of real estate, vehicle sale purchase, and you will earn a lot of money and name and fame. You have you have a business of any type of iron related manufacturing company. You may have a owner of a company like manufacturing of cars, manufacturing of automobiles. This is all linked with Saturn. So Saturn play, guys, big role. We need to perform some small remedy to improve the position of Saturn in birth chart. Remedy number 1, try to serve needy people. Every Saturday, 5 people, 7 people must go for the food charity, must go for the donate some food in needy peoples which don't have food. Saturn shower their blessings on you. Every Saturday you can do this remedy. You will definitely feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will see a very good growth in your professional life. You will see big change in your professional life, because this is the Saturn biggest remedy. Don't use any wrong word, or don't abuse any poor person, or don't abuse any person who is working under you. Maybe your employee, maybe your servant. Try to give respect to your employees. Try to give some respect or some small gifts to your servant. You will definitely feel much relaxed. You will get peace of mind. You will get a lot of promotion. Automatically your good fortune started smile for you if you perform these small remedies. You must go for the charity, like you can say if you have some poor people in your city, then you go for the Saturday and donate some clothes like shirts or pant. That will be a biggest game changer remedy for Saturn. Your Saturn will feel much relaxed and comfortable, and you will become a rich man. Money never become you rich. Your peace of mind will become you a rich man. Because if you have a good peace of mind, stability in your life, you will automatically earn a lot of money. And if you don't have peace of mind, if you don't have richness here, then you never earn money. Your all success will start from your brain. And if you do all the small remedy, if you perform all the small remedy linked with Saturn, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success in life. You will definitely get a lot of respect, name, fame, position. You will definitely get lot of success after struggle. I meet a lot of people, they have a strong Saturn in the birth chart, but they are struggling a lot because they are not performing any remedy. Remedy, charity, donation play a big role in your life. If we start thinking about others, good fortune automatically start thinking about us. You know, God make this earth in a very wonderful way. What goes around, come around. If you give something from your pure heart, if you go for the charity with the pure heart, you will definitely get very good advantage from your good fortune. Your health will be fine, your respect will be good. You will earn lot of fame. I'm telling you again and again, money is nothing, money is zero. Everything is your peace of mind, everything is your good health, your parents' good health, and everything is connected with your profession. If you are earn a lot of money, if you are earn a lot of name, fame, if you are very good in your professional life, you will have a lot of happiness at your home because you are enjoying your luxury life. If you want to enjoy your luxury life, if you want to promote yourself, if you want to become a rich person from mentally, from financially, then you must perform these small remedies of Saturn. Saturn never says you to go to the temple every Saturday night. Saturn only says you give some respect to poor people, give some respect to people who are not able to stand in life. Give some respect or help some people who are jobless, who are even a lot of people on this earth, they don't have food for eating. They don't have one-time food. And if you give food to any one person in a one day, Saturn shower their blessings on you. Guys, Saturn is a planet who's dominating all planets in birth chart because Saturn is a karmic master. Saturn is very near to reality. Like I give you one example, Rahu is a far away from reality. Ketu is a far away from reality, but Saturn is a very near to reality. Saturn always show you the right path, and if you follow that path, you will definitely earn a lot of name, fame, peace of mind, success, good health. And if you never follow that path, Saturn warning you, Saturn give you warning a lot of time. And if you are not understand Saturn warning, then Saturn will punish you. And Saturn punishment create a lot of difficulties in your life. So don't do any bad karma in your good time, because Saturn is watching every person. So I'm requesting to all of my friends with my folding hands, must serve, must help needy people, and especially in this pandemic situation is very worst. If you're helping someone, if you give some food to some hungry persons, you will definitely blessed with a lot of peace of mind. You are feeling very positivity after performing this remedy. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future, and Saturn will definitely give you a lot of blessings to every of my viewers. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.